Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video I will work with the login and register page. I'm going to modify to look something similar we have also on the Netflix. As you can see, I have opened here the Netflix website /login, and we have a background image, as you can see here. Then we have a form which has the black background with opacity, and also the div, we have a div with a black background and the opacity here because we don't see the full opacity of the image. The form which has I think 75 opacity here. We have a sign in and the button, the red button. Now here we have the Laravel default login page. I'm going to change the look, something similar we have here. First, I'm going to show you, I have downloaded the two images, so you can search on the Google for Netflix logo and also Netflix background image. But I have downloaded, and here I have in the public directory, I've created this images directory, and I have put the Netflix BG, which is this image, and the Netflix logo, which is this one. Okay. Now let's start and work with the look here. First, I'm going to open let's close this. Let's open the Guest layout. And we have a BG here, gray, and also on dark BG gray 900. If I remove them and save, yeah, we have removed the BG. But instead of something like this, I'm going to remove everything we have here and start from scratch. So I'm going to add a div with the class to be min height of screen. First one, and then I'm going to add a BG, which is going to be, I'm going to point here the URL of the image, so let's say URL, and here I'm going to specify /images, and I name that Netflix -bg.jpg. Okay, and also I'm going to add let's say BG fixed, also BG no repeat, and BG center. Let's close this div, and inside this div now I'm going to add another div for that BG to be with a class to be, let's say first with full, and then H also to be full, and with that BG of black, and on large I'm going to apply the opacity of 50. Now let's save and let's see this, and yeah, we have something like this. We need to change that to say BG cover, and now yeah, okay, let's go back and see. Yeah, now we need to add, with add also another div inside here. Let's say a div with some classes. Let's say class name to be flex, also flex goal. I'm going to add items to be center, because as you can see we have the form in the center, but not in the center as we had in the Laravel project. So I'm going to say items in the center, and I'm going to say padding top of 6. On large enough, I'm going to add padding top of 0. And let's close, and here I'm going to render the children. I'm going to save, remove these two imports because we don't need them, and I'm going to save, and let's see on the browser what we get. Come here. Yeah, we have here the form. As you can see, only here we have this BG black opacity 50, because I forgot to add the min hedge here. We need to say min hedge screen, and then with full and hedge full. And now, yeah, we have the same thing we have on the Netflix. Just the form is not seen here. Okay, for that we need to open the login page. So let's open the login TSX, and we are going to start from the form. On the form, I'm going to add some classes. I'm going to apply the class of BG black. I'm going to say px to be, let's say, 12, py of 8, and I'm going to say opacity to be 75. Let's see for now what we have here. And yeah, we have something like this because we need to go to the guest layout and change this on large opacity 50. Here I want to just a BG opacity 50. Okay, so now here is the form. Just we need to add some margin top, and also I think the opacity, yeah, maybe 80. So let's go to login page, change the opacity to be 80, and also I'm going to add margin top of 24. And I think we are okay. Next, let's say this one is going to be with full and on large and up, or on small and up. Small and up, I'm going to say we max width BMD, max width MD. If I save, go and see. Yeah. Okay, next, let's add the sign-in text. So right here, I'm going to add a div with the class name to be margin top of 4. Okay, and also let's say margin bottom of 2. And in this one, I'm going to add 2 with class text white, font bold, and text to Excel, and I'm going to say sign in here. Okay, let's close this as 2, and let's see what we have. In here, we have sign in. Okay, maybe we'll change that to 3XL and save. See, yeah, we have more large now. And also here we need to change that to be BG opacity. Okay. Now we are good. Maybe 4XL here, font bold, text white. And I think we are okay. Right now, just opacity, we need to change let's change the opacity to 75. Or just 70. I think we are okay. Good. Next, the button. Also, I'm going to add on the input the class name to be just Excel. Sorry, class name text Excel. And let's see. Yeah. The heading also is going to be margin bottom. Maybe 6, and now we are more okay. Good. We have added the class name text Excel here, which means also on this one I'm going to add that. Now let's go down. I think we have remember me after the button, so I'm going to change also the same we have there. I'm going to cut this and move this after the button. Yeah, here we have remember me. We have also the remember me here. And also on the remember me text small, not text small, text Excel. Okay, text Excel, and not gray 600 but 200. And just let's remove this on dark, because by default it's going to be text gray 200. Now we are okay. Next, the forgot password also is after the button, and the button is going to be full width. So the button is going to be full width. We have this flex item center justify end, but I'm going to change. I'm going to say flex and flex call. We have margin top. Okay, justify end, not justify end, just flex call. Then I'm going to cut this and put after the button. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have something like this. And I'm going to cut this and add a div with class name to be margin top of 4. And inside, let's paste that in, which I think we are okay. Now forgot password, which is text center. So I'm going to say text center. And on this link, we have text small, which we'll want is text large. Also not just remove this text to be gray 200. Let's see now, we have forgot password. Good. The button is not looking very good, so I'm going to open the button. First, let's remove this. And just let's see by default how it's going to look like this. We want the text in the center and the BG to be red. For that, I'm going to open the primary button and I'm going to change. First, I think we need to say rounded, yeah. But rounded we have, where is rounded MD? Let's say just rounded. And now we are okay. Then we have to change the color. We have PX4 and PY2. Okay, item center. I'm going to say just flex text center. And let's remove everything we have here. So I'm going to remove everything and let's start and work with this. So first I'm going to add a PG to be red. I'm going to say red 600. The text is going to be Excel and text is going to be black. Okay, or white, sorry. Black, white. Save and let's see. Let's go here. I think we are okay. We don't see the text to be. Where is this primary button? And why we don't see the text white? If I say text white here, yeah, we have text white now. We need to, in the center, let's go to primary button, flex items, justify center, and we have the login here as well. And I think we have something similar now. Okay, just need to add new to Netflix sign up now, because right here we don't have that. And I think we can leave the BG red here on hover. Now let's change on hover to be BG, let's say red 800. Yeah, we need to add also the rounded. Just rounded, I'm going to say. And I think we are good. Yeah, also let's add the transition. And duration of 150. Okay, let's say easy in out. Very good. Now let's adjust this text in a paragraph. So I'm going to close now the button, but after the remember me, which we have this div, I'm going to add another div with a class to be block, margin top, and let's add a span with text to be small. Sorry, we need to add first the class name, and let's say text to be small, and then I'm going to paste this text. Also, we need to close the div. Let's see in our project. Yeah, we need to sort of specify the color of the text. So let's say text to be gray 400. And I think we are good. The last thing what is to add the new Netflix sign up now, which is after the remember me. And I'm going to say right here another div with a class name to be also this one block and margin top of 4. And here we can add a span with text small, text gray. Not small here is not small, so text is okay, but just we need to say text gray, and we need to say new to Netflix, new to Netflix. Okay, next we need to add a sign up link. Okay, let's add a link. So we have the link component, and the strap is /register. Okay, and what we need to say is sign up now. I think we are good. Let's see. Yeah, we have this sign up now and sign up now. Just we need to change to this link. We need to apply some classes. Let's say class text to be large, or we have the same text in here. No, just let's change the font to be bold, font bold, and text to be white. It's just not class ID, but class name. And we have this sign up now also in here. Okay, also let's say padding left of 2, and on hover I want to say underline. And let's see. Yeah, we have the underline. We don't have the padding left. Padding left. Now we are okay. I think now we have almost the same sign-in page as we have there. Just we need to change also the register, because if I go now to the register, yeah, the register is going to look like this, and we need to change that. Let's open the register page also, and let's go and apply the same colors. I'm going to scroll up and copy the class name we have in the form. Okay, go to register. We have the form here. Apply the classes. Then what we need to do is to add a div, not sign in, but a register. Okay, let's say a register here. Next, we have apply a class text Excel on the input label. Let's do the same also on the inputs right here, and on the password input, and on the password confirmation. Next, what we have done is we have changed the classes here. So I'm going to copy what we have here and put on the register. Okay. Just remember me, we don't need the remember me here. We need also this one to remove. Can I set password? What I want to leave is not a Netflix. Now let's change that. Already registered. Okay, and let's say sign in. Change the path here, log in, and I'm going to save. And here we have also the register page. Okay, friends, that's it all about. So I'm going to go to sign in and sign up. This is how it's going to look. Pretty much the same as the Netflix website. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next video. All the best. Thank you very much, friends.